All right, this is the chapter 8 vocabulary read aloud. So our first word is tent, which is ohel. Ohel. The word for other or another, different, acher. So the Israelites are instructed not to worship Elohim acherim, different gods, other gods, foreign gods. Question words. Eich, how. Sometimes echa, eich. How will you do this? Quick reminder that we learned in chapter 8, we didn't really talk very much about this way of putting ha at the front of a sentence to make it a question. If you don't recall that, please review it. All right, moving along. 1,000 is elef. Elef. The relative pronoun, this is not a question word. Asher. So that's who or whom or that or which. Asher. So this is nice because this single form suffices for any. The people whom we learned from would just be asher, for whom. Or the people who taught us would also just be the people asher. Same thing for that or which. All right. To say an animal or a beast, the beasts of the field, behema. What would the plural of behema be? It's behemot. Can you see what English word we get from behemot? Behemot, behemoth. It's just the plural Hebrew of behemoth. Next, continuing on page 78. To say also or even, very common word, gam. To say blood is dam. It's quite often plural, and it just still means blood. Damim just means blood, not bloods. Here's our interrogative particle. So you just put this ha with a patak and a shava at the beginning of any sentence, and it makes that sentence a question. An adjective, tahor, means clean or pure. Tahor. The feminine form would be tahora. The plural masculine would be tahorim. And the plural feminine, tahorot. Ki, as was noted in class, can mean too many things. That, because, but, except, indeed. 5,000 some uses, and it means a lot of things. I recommend you just try that or because in sentences like the following. I know that he, my Lord, lives. Or, I like you, he, because you are nice to me. So that or because will usually work. A fool or a shameless person, really just a fool. Kasil. Kasil. Why is Hebrew so hard? Lama. Lama. Why is Hebrew so hard? To just say what is ma. What is this? Ma zot. Another word for why, which basically means the same thing as lama, is madua. Ma means what, mi means who. Mi ata, who are you? The poor is ani. Humble, afflicted, ani. The word for oil is shemen. And a judge is shofet. So shofet shares the same three-letter root with another word we know, mishpat. Shofet is the person, Mishpat is the judgment that person might issue.